Right now, too many executive conversations around AI start and end with reducing headcount. But if your first instinct with AI is to cut people instead of empowering them, you're missing the bigger opportunity. AI should be used to eliminate inefficiency, not humanity. The real ROI comes when you use AI to amplify talents of your team, to help people work smarter, but not disappear. Efficiency doesn't require erasing empathy, and automation doesn't mean abandonment. The most resilient companies will be the ones that use AI to enhance their people, not replace them. Let's stop using AI as a shortcut to cuts and start using it as a catalyst for creativity, productivity, and putting people first. Thanks for tuning in. If you found today's tips helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video with someone who could use it. For more insights, tools, and services to take your business to the next level, visit drcedricholmes.com. If you have questions or want to work together, email me at info@drcedricholmes.com or call 818-388-2778. I'm Dr. Cedric Holmes, where strategic leadership meets technology. I'll see you on the next one.